Today is the day. I'm gonna see them.
Swim.
Jitters हो रहे हैं, मेरे को butterfly हो रहा है.
Yeah, those actors from Seoul.
You're gonna come on the screen.
Second love, Kim Tae-young, Jung Jungkook, BTS.
Guys, it's coronation day. It's coronation day. It's coronation day. I am so excited. Clearly, मैंने अब तक नहाया नहीं है. I just had my breakfast. मैं सुबह 7 बजे से जागी हुई हूँ. And I am just sitting with this. मैंने इसमें बैटरी भी डाल दी. So I picked this up yesterday. I have made a shorts about it. So go check it out. I've also made a video on the main channel about the prep. So my outfit and everything that you're gonna see in today's video. Ticket kaise mila, everything is posted on my main channel. So go give it a watch. But today is the day. I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna see them. Guys, what are you all excited about? एक चीज. Which song? चल which song?
Fake
that
love.
you want कि ये तो बजे ही.
Fake love.
Fake love. I also want fake love, but I also want mic drop.
माइक ड्रॉप तो शायद बचेगा ही ना, वो तो गा ही रहे
आज के सेट में दिखा नहीं मुझे माइक ड्रॉप. 1 अगस्त के सेट में दिखा नहीं माइक ड्रॉप.
कल के सेट
हाँ मतलब कल के सेट में.
यार
रघुराज.
रघुराज
Swim. Swim.
आई नीड यू भी है, आई नीड यू फेक लव बटर.
ਦਾ ਕਪਤਾਨ ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਲੇ ਤੇ ਨੱਚਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਅੱਜ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ
अरे यार
Shaivi yaar. Shaivi, we need for 2nd August, not the 1st August one. Don't mind the pasara behind, but वो घड़ी आ चुकी है कि now we should start getting ready. I've already done my base and brows. That's why थोड़ा bold लग रहा है brows. But अभी I'm gonna do like a nice purple eye makeup look. But yeah, let's do this. जिटर्स हो रहे हैं. मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट कुछ नहीं सोच रही हूँ. जैसे मेरे मन में आए वैसे मैं रिकॉर्डिंग चालू कर रही हूँ. सो यू माइट सी लॉट ऑफ जिटर्स एंड बीच में ही वर्टिकल आ रहा है, बीच में ही हॉरिजॉन्टल आ रहा है. बस समझ लेना मेरी एक्साइटमेंट. जिटर्स हो रहे हैं, मेरे को बटरफ्लाई हो रहा है. बटरफ्लाई हो रहा है.
इट्स ओनली 30 minutes. It's only 30 minutes that we leave. Is it hitting you yet? I don't think so.
नो. तुझे हिट हो रहा है?
No, not yet. I don't think it's gonna even hit you when you reach the stadium. I think it'll hit you once you see them.
No, I think when the music starts playing, like
I need
stadium
the
के vibe,
hood. I need yes. I think that
उसका
should be the first
transition
song,
करना
ना?
है, I need का.
हाँ.
That is the opening song for sure.
आपका मेकअप कितना बाकी है मैम?
I think 20 minutes में should be done. Then we have to click some pictures and then how's my eye makeup look?
एकदम very pretty. Show. Nice.
अभी तक इसमें लैश लगी है, इस पे लगना बचा है. Then after do liner.
Okay, see you guys in 30 minutes once we are all ready. Okay guys, doing the outfit reel in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Dum
I think I'm gonna put this.
Korean sisters लग रहे हैं. Wow.
You have to put that belt now.
Yeah, I have to put this.
जा फिर.
क्या मस्त लग रहा है दोनों का outfit, but very cute. Show your freckles. Wow. Very amazing guys. Raghuraj, you have to be ready.
Oh yeah. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
इधर से डालूंगी ना. पैंट के पीछे से.
हाँ खालूंगी.
एकदम बहने लग रहे हो तुम लोग.
क्या बोला तूने?
बहने लग रहे लोग.
मैंने लग रहे हो मतलब
क्या है यार sisters.
इसलिए
Definitely यहाँ पे.
यही रिएक्शन के लिए मैंने पूछा.
बहने पहनेंगे गहने. Yeah, those actors from Seoul.
वो सारा from Seoul.
सोल सियोल हो गया.
Seoul sisters.
What are you guys doing?
Freckles लगा रही हूँ.
Freckles.
I think I should have also put golden only. मेरे एकदम पर्पल भयानक लग रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है.
भयानक तो नहीं लग रहा.
भयानक नहीं लग रहा, अच्छे लग रहा.
It goes with your outfit.
ओ बावरिया BTS.
Why are you singing that song?
अरे तुझे नाक दाबलं होतं.
चला निघायचंय, हो गया टाइम.
झालं. असं वाटतं पण लग्नाला चाललंय कोरियामध्ये.
नाइस.
या बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. We have reached and we are finding the parking. हमने $50 देके ऑलरेडी रिजर्व कर दिया था पार्किंग. भाई लाइन देख लेफ्ट में.
फोटो सेशन चालू हो चुका है यहाँ पे. दैट इज द स्टेडियम एंड आई एम अज्यूमिंग बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा लाइन है वहाँ पे.
hooligan बजना चालू हो चुका है. I think we should go right now.
we should, because we don't know how long the queue is,
Yeah,
and we also want to check for
merch.
merchandise, right?
Yeah.
So-
Let's go.
So guys, दीदी और मानसी को I think BTS के crew ने बोला है कि they want to record a video of them for Body to Body. So yeah, we're very excited to see what they're gonna make them do. Thank you. Ask them if BTS is going to see it.
They're gonna come on the screen. Body to body.
Huh? Oh, wow. Really? Pakka? She
Yeah,
said
she
कि-
said that.
हाँ.
Can you please come there because in Body to Body we will want you to come on the screen.
Oh wow. Nice. So यहाँ से enter करने के बाद we're going to the level upstairs and these two are dancing. बाप रे गणपति डांस बल्ले बल्ले. My God.
Oh my god. The seats are gonna be like we have a clear shot. We're not even right.
Yes, there are no pillars, nothing, bhai, in front of us.
This is amazing.
What a view.
Oh wow. I think these are like the best seats. This is the best seat. Thank you. Upper was the
Yes. Thank you, Raguraj.
Oh my god. Oh wow. How do you feel? Amazing. I think हमारे जो seats है वो हमको पता नहीं था कि kind of VIP seats है. Like if you see cushioned है सब कुछ ये. So मेरे back के लगने नहीं वाले. And we did not know about this when we booked it. हमारा खाने का section, हमारा restroom का section सब अलग है. I think we just lucked out, I feel. And without zooming, we can see the stage. Wait. Like this is on like normal without zooming anything, guys. And just by doing 2x, I can see everything. No obstruction, nothing. This is crazy. This is still not sinking in. Yeah. So happy.
How is it?
I like it.
पेट पूजा फिर काम दूजा. It is 7:55. It's
Only
only
5 minutes to go and we have the perfect view. वहाँ से उनकी एंट्री होने वाली है and we are all set with our stick. यहाँ पे Mexican wave बोलते हैं. हाँ, वही चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
आने वाला
आने वाला है यहाँ पे.
आ रहा है.
우리 멀어진 그날에 각자 이야기 묻어둔다 정해졌지 그놈의 right now I'm so pure 불공정한 요소들 없었긴 너는
근데 촉촉하다 여기.
I think we're off to a great start.
Several days later.
The concert is over. I'm filming this after 2 days because I was in that hangover. I still couldn't believe that I watched them live. Itna paas se. And I also came on screen. Oh my god, that too with my sister. It just made it even more special. Everything just happened so fast. Like we entered the stadium and we kind of felt कि हम लोग late है या जो भी है. हम लोग थोड़ा 15-20 minutes late थे. So I was worried कि हम पहुँचेंगे अंदर टाइम पे ये वो. But the moment we entered, हमारा टिकट विकेट हो गया, लाइन में काफ़ी खड़ा रहना पड़ा. And then once we entered, the Hybe official people just randomly approached us. They're like, oh my god, your fit is so beautiful, you guys are looking so nice, would you mind giving us some clips? And then 2 minutes के लिए I was like, why are these people asking? And they're like, we are from Hybe official, we are the BTS crew. And I froze. I didn't show it to them, like vlog में आपको लगा नहीं लगा होगा because I just played it nonchalant over there, but I froze. I was like, what? Why are they taking us बाजू में? What is gonna happen? And then they were like, you know, we are gonna play this on screen and body to body में आपका segment आएगा and all that. I was like, wow, okay, cool. मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये सच में करेंगे भी कि नहीं, but I was just happy to be interacting with them. And then I was like, हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, because you guys know me. I will always play the worst case scenario, right? So I was like, नहीं हुआ तो भी it's fine. That's not something that I came for, rather, right? And when the body to body वाला part started, I was just enjoying, okay? And then Sanjay like, जब वो आरीरांग वाला जो main उनका chorus part आता है, तभी मुझे लगता है तुम लोग आने वाले हो screen पे. I was like, हाँ, okay, fine. And it happened. And we were on screen. Oh my god. मुझे लगा था 1 सेकंड के लिए हम आएंगे. मुझे लगा था कि पूरा उसने बहुत सारे हमको पोजेस करने बोले. And the entire clip played on screen. Like बीच में RM, Suga, Jungkook सब लोग का फेस है and ये साइड पे हम लोग हैं. Anyways, moving on, let's talk about the concert. हमने जो टिकट्स लिए थे, हमें पता नहीं था कि उसका एक अलग से एंट्रेंस होने वाला है, उसके अलग से रेस्ट रूम होने वाला है, खाने का एरिया अलग होने वाला है. That was not the VIP ticket, but was definitely like more than the standard ticket because हमारे सीट भी कुशन वाले थे, नॉर्मल वाले प्लास्टिक वाले नहीं थे. So I think I was just God's favorite child on that day because everything just was perfect. और हाँ, by the way, वहाँ पे बारिश का पूरा चांस लिखा हुआ था. फ्लड वार्निंग्स वगैरह सबके फ़ोन पे आ रहे थे. So we were prepared. We had taken our ponchos. So I was even prepared for that. I was like, बारिश हुई तो भी मैं रेनकोट पहन के बैठूंगी because army does that. Like बहुत सारे कॉन्सर्ट में ऐसा हुआ है कि पहन के बैठे and it was normal for all of us. So बीच में बारिश चालू हो गई थी but it was just like रिमझिम जोर से नहीं आया था. So we didn't take out the ponchos and पूरा concert वही चला, like रिमझिम ही चल रहा था. And because of that it was very hot and humid, so it was very difficult for them to perform. And उनको definitely आदत नहीं है ये temperature की. And their costumes were also very heavy. Everybody was struggling a lot. More so Jimin was struggling too much, and it was so sad to see him like पूरा half के गा रहा था. And yeah, but everything was just perfect. Like my first concert couldn't have a better memory. Everything was just so special. The outfit, I was very sure कि मैं अकेले तो ये हैंडबॉक नहीं पहनने वाली हूँ, मैं दीदी को भी like बनवा के लेके जाऊंगी. And it just worked out. उसके measurement बराबर से आ गए and we were twinning and it was just so special. Both our husbands were there. A lot of you guys asked me कि कैसे ticket book किया and all of that. So basically अगर आपने ये वाला वीडियो देखा है मानसी माऊ पे, you would know that January में हमने ticket book किए हुए थे and this trip was planned at the beginning of this year. Okay, 2nd August को हम लोग अटेंड करने वाले थे जर्सी वाला कॉन्सर्ट. ओह, वन मोर थिंग आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू गाइस कि यू हैव टू कैरी अ ट्रांसपेरेंट बैग लाइक दिस. देयर आर डिमेंशंस गिवन ऑन द वेबसाइट वीवर्स के, सो यू विल नो एक्जैक्टली कौन से मेजरमेंट के बैग्स लेके जाने हैं. तो हम 2-3 बैग ऐसे लेके गए थे, मेरा एक, दीदी का एक, और साहिल और रघुराज को मिलके और एक बैग दिया था हमने. एंड वी हैड केप्ट ऑल ऑफ आवर एसेंशियल्स. आई डिडंट नो इफ आई कुड टेक द DJI कैमरा और नॉट, लाइक द स्मॉल व्लॉगिंग कैमरा. तो मैंने सब फोन से ही व्लॉग किया हुआ है. मिक्स्ड रिव्यूज थे ऑनलाइन, तो मुझे लाइक चांस नहीं लेना था, इसलिए मैं नहीं लेके गई थी मेरा व्लॉगिंग कैमरा. एंड लुक एट दिस, आई गॉट सो मेनी फ्रीबीज, बहुत सारा है. सो बेसिकली द वाइब इन द कॉन्सर्ट इज जस्ट सो काइंड and happy, like in a way that I cannot express, because everybody, every army is just so giving, so kind. So people just come, just say hi and like compliment you, and then they give you freebies. वो लोग घर से बना के लेके आते हैं and then they just give it to you, and it's just so fun. They are just like butterflying freebies to everyone, just spreading happiness, you know. One more incident that happened is मेरे सामने आगे जो बैठे थे, she wanted a picture and she asked for a picture. Okay, so I was like, yeah, absolutely, why not? So I was clicking her picture and रात हो चुकी थी. So basically she just turned like this to me and she wanted the stage in the backdrop, and मैं उसका फोटो खींचने वाली थी. and I was asking her if I should switch on the flash. By the time I was asking this, मेरी पीछे वाली जो थी उसने उसका फ्लैश चालू करके उस लड़की पे डाला. This is such an awe moment because everybody was just like helping each other. There was no like dhakka bukki and like very aisa tashan wala scene. Everybody was just smiling, everybody was just so happy, and that's the impact I think BTS has left on everyone. Even the staff, everyone over there was just so kind. मुझे लगता है next time when the tickets, I'm gonna book tickets. I think I'm gonna book 2-3 concerts because ये एक बार जाने के बाद इतना FOMO feel होता है, इतना sad feel होता है कि अभी क्या करूँ मैं life में. Like concert is over now. What? You know what? My bag is already packed. I'm leaving for another exciting thing which is going to happen on this trip, which you'll know in the next vlog, which is also like a big thing. It's a feather in my cap. So yeah, that's gonna happen very soon. I'm leaving for California tomorrow, so yeah, stay tuned. Also you must be thinking कि vlog काफ़ी छोटा है. I know that it was purposely like shorter, is because मैंने ज़्यादा record करने का ताम झाम, मतलब मैंने इतना ज़्यादा सोचा ही नहीं, because I just wanted to be in the moment. I just wanted to soak this moment in, because I don't know if you guys would know how much this means to me. I don't know, I can't explain this to you guys. So being in the moment, I just like, जब भी मेरा फ़ोन मैंने निकाला है, मैंने कभी कुछ एंगल का सोचा नहीं, कुछ नहीं आया. I was just like, जो भी कैसे भी आए, जो मेरे को naturally आ रहा है वैसे आने दो. So I guess that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. This was such a special vlog. I'm just gonna go finish up my packing and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Also, don't forget to follow Manasi Mau, which is my main channel, and this is my vlogging channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Chopper on a nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, let him give me 1 minute. Hey, my good.